Hi, this is a quick video just testing out the sound of this new Hatfield banjo I got. It is a Hatfield Walnut Special. Here is the banjo. It is a walnut neck, walnut resonator. It's got a compensated bridge which supposedly helps with the intonation. The armrest I added on afterwards. It was not included. I did get a free case and a t-shirt, which is pretty cool. This is a very loud, very dry, punchy banjo is how I would say it. You can kind of hear it's got a little bit of a growl when it's down the neck. I'll compare that with a good time. A lot of people have good times, but I'm not sure if my iPhone mic is picking up all the subtle differences. So I'll do a little comparison. So you should be able to hear something like that. We'll do a little bit sound test playing around the neck. The Hatfield. Start that again. So yeah, I would say it's aggressive. You can get some sweet tones out of it though. Got the waltz stuff. Something like that. I'll take it up in the A for you guys. Takes a little bit of the edge off this banjo. If you have any questions about the banjo or know anything more, I paid $2,900 for this baby. I know the Celebrity he had cost $3,100. I didn't pick this one because of the price difference. I just took a liking to it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.